following video contains a fish being killed. Viewer discretion is advised.
Finish.
Oh, he makes sounds.
Finish the brain.
Yeah. Right. Oh, just like screw it in, eh?
This is the moment right before the spike hits the brain and the fish goes brain dead.
See, this is
You got it?
brain.
Yeah.
The fish can no longer feel pain, but it is still alive. The following part is known as SHINKEIJIME, which is the method used in Japan to kill and paralyze the fish. By sending a steel wire through its neural canal all the way towards the tail, this in turn will destroy its spinal cord. This technique preserves the fish's fresh umami flavor as electrical impulses to its body are no longer possible, thus decreasing the chance of its blood seeping into the tissue. The final part here is called chinuki, which is bleeding the fish out by cutting the gills.
Cut it main
Artery?
part.
Yeah.
This is Japanese style.
By the way, this is our captain, Hiroshi-san.
Hi.
Best captain in Iriomote, maybe Japan.
No. This is brought away. We call chinuki. SHINKEIJIME.
SHINKEIJIME.
And cut the blood.
Yeah.
It's chinuki.
Now we're going to return to base, where Hiroshi-san is going to show us how to cut the fish for sashimi.
What's that, like a soup? Yeah. Thank you. Yashigari.
This is the coconut crab because, well, it can crack open coconuts. So don't get your fingers pinched by one of these.
Not happy.
They will crush it right off.
That's crazy. Oh, it's going away. It's running away. Oh, daijoubu? Oh. Did you just find it? You just found a wild one? Fugu? Fugu is poisonous, right?
Puffer fish.
Puffer fish?
Yeah.
Dangerous.
No.
No?
No?
Who cut the fufu? The specialist.
Ah, okay, good. The specialist cut it. Because if they cut it, then I don't know if I could eat it.
50-50. Yeah.
This is awamori, the drink of choice for Okinawans. It's a spirit that is 30% alcohol, and it tastes somewhat similar to Japanese shochu. It's commonly mixed in a 50-50 ratio water to awamori. I had it straight, and it was pretty smooth. But be careful, this stuff will mess you up. So Hiroshi-san's son, his name is Kai. He is descaling the fish that we got. Kaya the kayak man. This is Kaya. He does mountain treks and kayak tours through the mangrove forest on Iriomote Island. The place he took us to on his kayak tour was one of the most beautiful places that we have ever been to. It was simply amazing. Plus, I gotta hand it to him, he makes some pretty good spaghetti.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Cut his stomach.
Step and get the guts out. So we have Hiroshi-san here, and he is going to prep the fish. Yeah. We're gonna cut the stomach and take the guts out. Because the head has such good meat, they don't really see it. That's how you should always do it.
We'll show you at the we need head. This is stomach.
물어味だな. 물어味食ってるわ.
Oh, that's not our bait?
No.
Don't touch.
Right. Don't touch.
I'm touch.
Okay. Oh, and the carrot. Okay. It's a big head. Okay.
氷がいいけど。
Oh, we got the burner. We got the burner. Arigato. Oh, the skin is thick, so you want to cut it to loosen it up a bit.
Little bit.
A little bit. Oh, oh yeah. Okay.
There we go. Then Japanese doesn't like gusuってなんていうかな。
Okay. Oh,
So
even number.
even number.
so you want
we put the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, instead of 4, 6. Yeah. Okay, they like odd numbers. They slice it in odd numbers and then they plate it.
Wasabi.
Wasabi.
Wasabi
yeah,
here.
I love the wasabi. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Finish.
Nice. Nice work, Hiroshi-san. Yeah. What's umoe?
Heavy.
Oh, is it heavy? Yeah. Wow. Look at that.
Wow, it is heavy.
Ouchibiki. All right. Wow. That's good. That's very nice.
My pepper is too much.
That's one of the best sashimi I've ever had. Wow. That's amazing. Oh, you win. No lie, that was one of the best sashimi experiences in my life. And an Okinawan omotenashi experience we will never forget.